Hi, I'm Karen, and tonight I'm going to make egg bites so that we can have a nice healthy breakfast to take with us on the go. There's something that you can freeze so that you can have a quick, easy something to defrost and take with you. Just pop it in the microwave for about a minute and they'll be nice, fresh breakfast for you to eat. So I've already measured out my ingredients and I'm just kind of explain as we go. I'm going to make 14 of them. So I have 8 eggs already cracked. And I'm going to dump those into my blender. I also need, oops, I forgot to measure this. I need 4 ounces of cream. Dump that in there. I have some cheese and it's approximately 4 ounces of cheese. I did Monterey Jack, you can choose. And then I'm going to do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That is more than 1/4 teaspoon. Dump out the extra. And 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And then I'm going to blend it real quick so that we'll have something creamy to drop in here. All right, this will be what makes it nice and light and fluffy when you dump it in. So the next part is, my family likes a variety of toppings. I have a kid who does not like vegetables, so I'm not going to put any vegetables in hers or she will not eat them, but she loves bacon. So we're going to drop some bacon that I already pre-cooked so it's nice and crispy. Drop some crumbles of bacon into a few of them, like maybe 5, so she has 1 for each day of the week this week. And then I'm going to drop a little bit of extra cheese, some parmesan for her, in each of those. And then in a couple of these for me, I'm going to put some spinach. And this is just raw spinach. And I'm going to put some bacon. And some chives. And I would like a little bit of feta cheese in mine. There will be less eggs in mine. Okay, so once I've done that, of course I have another thing to fill up also. Once I've done that, I'm going to pour my egg mixture into each container about 80% full. You do not want to fill it all the way up because it is going to rise a little bit when it's cooking. So once they're 80% full, you are going to put foil on the top of these, nice and tight. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, and then I will come back and show you what to do next. Okay, now that my trays are full, I'm going to go ahead and cover both of them with foil. It needs to be nice and tight so that you don't get any steam down into your eggs. So I'm going to wrap it really tight. Also, you're going to stack one on top of the other, and so you want to make sure that they don't fall through. Once they are wrapped, you're going to insert your trivet into the bottom of the pot. You need 1.5 cups of water, so go ahead and pour that in there. Stack carefully your first one, and then kind of turn them so that they are not aligned perfectly, so that the holes are not on top of each other. You're going to seal up your pot. Make sure your vent is sealed. we're going to set it for 10 minutes high pressure, and then you are going to let it naturally release for 10 minutes, and then you can release the rest of the pressure yourself.